In today's digital age, making money online has become an attractive option for many individuals seeking financial independence and flexibility. Ads Bazaar is one of the platforms offers opportunities for users to earn money through various activities. In this comprehensive guide, we will explore the different ways you can generate income with Ads Bazaar and provide valuable tips to maximize your earnings. Instant payment. Earn every 5 seconds. To start earning, you need to register a free account and explore our unique program. Creating an account. To get started and sign up for a free account, fill in the necessary details and confirm your registration through the verification email. Once your account is active, you can log in and access the members area. Ads Bazaar is a pay-to-click (PTC) website that allows members to earn money by viewing advertisements and completing simple tasks. As an advertiser, you can also promote your products or services through Ads Bazaar's ad network. Enter your username and password. Fill the CAPTCHA and get free login to Ads Bazaar to start your earning. As viewing advertisements, the primary way to earn money on Ads Bazaar is by clicking and viewing advertisements. In your members area, you will find a list of available ads with varying reward amounts. Click on the ads one by one, view them for a specified duration, and earn money for each ad viewed. Keep in mind that you must follow the website's guidelines to avoid any issues. Completing tasks. Ads Bazaar often offers microtasks that you can complete to earn additional income. These tasks may include filling out surveys, signing up for websites, or watching videos. Each task comes with a specific reward, and completing them diligently can boost your earnings significantly. Ads Bazaar has a referral program that allows you to earn commissions by inviting new users to the platform. Share your unique referral link with friends, family, or through social media channels and earn a percentage of your referral's earnings. Building a strong referral network can lead to passive income over time. Consistency is key. To make a substantial income with Ads Bazaar, consistency is crucial. Set aside a specific time each day to click on ads and complete tasks. Regular activity ensures you don't miss out on available opportunities. Complete this task survey and downloads game and earn more money from this platform. This is highly income to earn. It's depend of your time. If you hard worker, you can earn more and more. Ads Bazaar offers ads with varying reward amounts. Prioritize clicking on higher value ads to optimize your time and earnings. Keep an eye out for bonus ad campaigns that can provide additional rewards.
Ads Bazaar offers premium memberships that come with additional benefits, such as higher referral commissions, increased ad values, and more task opportunities. Consider upgrading your membership if you are serious about earning on the platform. As mentioned earlier, the referral program is a powerful way to increase your earnings passively. Encourage your referrals to remain active and offer them guidance to help them succeed. While Ads Bazaar is a legitimate platform, Be cautious of scams that may try to imitate it. Always access the website directly through www.adsbazaar.com and avoid sharing personal information with suspicious third parties. Set your risk and pick a side of the coin. If you win, you get double the max you can risk in $50. Earning money with AdsBazaar can be a rewarding endeavor if approached with dedication and strategy. By clicking on ads, completing tasks, and building a strong referral network, you can steadily increase your earnings over time. The primary way to earn money on AdsBazaar is by clicking and viewing advertisements. In the members area, users will find a list of available ads, each with its corresponding reward amount. By clicking on these ads and viewing them for a specified duration, members earn money for each ad they interact with. AdsBazaar often presents users with additional earning opportunities through tasks and offers. These tasks may include filling out surveys, signing up for websites, downloading apps, or watching videos. Completing tasks and offers rewards members with additional income on top of ad clicking. Periodically, AdsBazaar may run bonus ad campaigns, where users have the chance to earn extra rewards for clicking on specific ads. Keeping an eye on these campaigns can boost earnings during those periods. Consistency is key to earning money on AdsBazaar. Dedicate a specific time each day to click on ads and complete tasks to ensure you don't miss out on available opportunities. AdsBazaar offers ads with varying reward amounts. Prioritize clicking on higher value ads to make the most of your time and efforts. As mentioned earlier, the referral program is a powerful way to increase your earnings passively. Encourage your referrals to remain active and offer them guidance to help them succeed. Earning money with AdsBazaar and other PTC websites can provide a modest stream of income if approached with dedication and a realistic understanding of the potential earnings. While AdsBazaar is a legitimate platform, it's essential to be cautious of scams that may try to imitate it. Always access the website directly through www.adsbazaar.com and avoid sharing personal information with suspicious third parties.